right, did you look all around?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Okay. This is my POV video.
Oh, nice.
Sorry, slow down. You're going a little bit fast. Remember, it's 15.
Just like this not. Like I feel like I can run. I know I can't, but I feel like I can run faster.
All right, gently turn. Okay, you're getting a little close to the right. Okay, very good.
Soccer practice.
Let's not watch the soccer.
Alright. Eyes on the road.
Yeah, this is where you almost rolled me out last time.
Well, I didn't. That's
Okay, very good. Okay, keep turning.
No.
No.
Spanish teacher. No, that's not my Spanish teacher.
Gently apply the brakes, gently. Get up a little bit more. I'm gonna stop right next to this car here.
Okay. Just let me go.
Now hit the
Oh,
left. We're going left. Okay, you looked both ways.
Oh. Yes, I have.
Oof, oof. Okay, move to the right. Might want to just stop the car. Okay, see, he's kind of zipping in there.
It's a she.
She.
I
It.
assume genders.
You did. Okay, slow down a bit. Gently brake. Where's your right turn signal?
Oh, right here.
Okay.
I use the right one. Honestly, I'm kind of just guessing with these. Like, I sometimes don't always know. I know it's like, I just can't freaking, okay, brake a little bit.
Yeah, right turn signal. Good, good.
Realistically, I mean, I know this is just practice, but like, do I always have to signal right turns in parking lots?
In parking lots, well,
I mean, this is just
yeah,
practice.
you probably
but,
should.
I mean, I really should get used
Okay,
to it. So
now there's
I
a
get-
car coming, so we want to brake gently
Okay.
at the end of this line, okay?
Alright, let me look both ways.
Okay. Now your turn signal's on. You need to put your turn signal on before you
100
turn.
feet before before.
Yeah.
That was on my permit test.
There you go. Okay, see now you are on the English side of the road.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Signal.
No, I mean, I'm just telling you now because you're getting a little better, so
Okay.
stay out of the parking lot part.
Just go.
Okay, don't jam it. Okay, a little smoother. I like it. I like it.
It's going a little bit fast.
You are going a little fast. Now, you don't always have to hit the brake. You can just ease your foot up off the gas a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now we're probably about 100 feet away, so what do you want to do?
Signal my right turn.
You have to push it all the way up.
What do you mean? Oh.
There. Okay. Okay, we're at a stop sign. Make sure you can see both ways.
There's someone coming.
Alright, just hit your brake. And they're far away. Now,
Okay.
when you get good, you'll be able to go ahead and go, but
Okay, I can go?
yeah. And the other thing is never ever trust someone else's turn signals.
Yeah.
They might have forgotten to take it off. Okay.
Whoa. This is a bit much.
I'm just glad we don't have to teach you to drive a stick.
To drive a what?
A stick shift.
Oh.
A manual. Okay, we're about 100 feet away. What are we doing?
Turning. Oh, well. My bad.
Okay. Gentle, gentle.
Feels like I'm playing piano with this pedal, but I just can't push too hard.
Yeah.
Because I remember Roberta, whenever I first got the pedal, she asked me if I drived yet. And I, told her not yet. And, because she said it's kind of like that. Oh, I guess I don't.
Yeah, you don't need it if
How do
you're,
I cancel a signal?
you just push it back to the middle.
It's a bit scary.
Good, 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 honey.
Brake and turn left.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. Make
Let's
sure.
just
I'm
carve.
I'm playing it safe, so.
Okay, anything you want to say to the camera? We've already got 4.5 minutes.
I don't know. What are you streaming this?
No, I'm just.
Alright, I'm just playing.
Alright. I'm going to turn it off.